Okay, go.
What about the car behind us?
Is there one behind us? Right. Just wait.
What about this one?
Which one? Fuck. Just stick it on. Good. This way.
This way?
Yep.
Should we give one to this line?
I don't know how. Yeah, I think you should. Yeah.
He looks like he's hitchhiking. Spread the word.
Spread the word. Dude, just what are you gonna say though? Fuck, he's leaving. Shit.
Did they take that one off its phone? I don't see it.
Still on there. No, they pieced out the red car.
Do you know where the Middleton, or middle there is?
It's right there.
Yes. Can you do us a favor?
Yeah.
Can you take one of these and show them people?
What are they?
They're flyers.
We're involved in a peaceful revolution.
Yeah.